Okay, so that's the house. Around 5 PM na. Patulong naman. Ano bang pwede kong gawin kortina dito? There's still a lot of work to do. This is our yard. Siguro almost 3 meters wide. And then yung front yard, thereabouts din, mga 3 meters wide. Yung bagong bakod na yan, sa kapitbahayan. So we're going to enter. Okay, this is the view from the front door. Okay, I need help. Paano bang windows or suggestion mo sa curtains nito? Ito yung yung window na yan yung original kasi na backdoor window. And then yung doorway na yan yung original na backdoor. Ito yung parang pinaka-extension. So this area right here used to be outdoors. Ginawa na nilang enclosed. So okay na rin. Yun nga lang, sagad na siya sa lote. So this window right here, ito yung view kanina. Wala na siyang silbi, except siguro abutan ng pagkain or something. Okay. We have one toilet. Wala kaming toilet sa taas. Okay. Ito yung paakyat. Okay. Going through the master's bedroom. So yan. And then this is the second bedroom. 2 bedrooms lang dito sa taas. Some of the stuff na dala ko. So itong room na to, yan lang ang window niya. This wall here, firewall na kasi yan. Sagad na sa lote. This is the view from upstairs. By the way, ayan yung what do you call it? Light well or something. Ito yung high ceiling part. Naka-incline yung roof. Yung baba na yan is supposed to be your dining. So loft style siya. I'll need help here. Yan. Still a lot of stuff to do. Nandiyan, nag-work ako kanina. So we'll be moving in Saturday. Wish us luck. Okay, all for now.